Do you have this fridge or similar and it just stopped working? Yes. Let's show you the easy fix they don't want you to know. So this cap was covering this setup here. And you'll see these covers, these and this one, black and white, are running the two little connectors. If you now pull this off here, it's just connected to two little prongs. You have to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This is, you gotta make sure you are disconnected from power. Come on, there she goes. See the two prongs there? So let's put them on again. Here and here. You might want to take a picture before you disconnect. So the white goes to the black unit, the black goes to the white unit. So I got the two here, the white unit, dog hair, great. Everyone who has a dog knows what I'm talking about. There's the white unit, connects to the black, and the black unit. So those are the numbers you want to find, and it's there's a ton of them on Amazon. I will find the link and put it in this video for you. Single connection. There's the two holes you need. Okay, so see the two holes, connect and just slide in with white connected. That was all I needed. I should have cleaned out the bugs that are in there, but this is a garage unit. It's going to get dirty again. Take a peek. This is the right kind of motor. Little LG motor on a GE. And then your cover goes back on. There's the cover back on. Hard to do while holding a phone. So, all right, I'm going to plug her in. Let's see what happens. And what you would have heard before was a clicking when it turned on and a hot unit. This would have been scorching hot and a clicking noise if one of these two units was off. Plug her back in. I'll turn it up so that it works. And there she goes. There's the beautiful sound of some sort of coolant running through the unit.